Hello and welcome to the Vaccination Weekly Roundup. I'm Tim Pepler and here are this week's biggest stories. GlaxoSmithKline has been granted FDA approval for another quadrivalent flu vaccine, this time known as Flu-Laval quadrivalent. It's Glaxo's second quadrivalent flu shot to have gained FDA approval this year, and the company will make a limited amount of the vaccine available for this year's flu season. This will be in addition to Fluarix quadrivalent, which gained FDA approval last December. And this means that altogether there will be 4 quadrivalent flu shots available in the US for this year's flu season. The Health Ministry in Israel has launched a campaign against polio with a view to vaccinate up to 1 million children against the disease. The campaign comes following the identification of wild polio virus in the sewer systems in the south of the country. And so far, 170,000 children have received the oral polio vaccine in an attempt to thwart an outbreak of the disease. Vaccination has been successful in controlling many of the world's diseases. However, there still remain many infectious diseases for which no licensed vaccine exists. We've been talking about some of these diseases in our feature piece on 10 of the most important diseases with no licensed vaccine. So head over to the blog to read about some of these conditions, and it's a list which includes things such as Chagas disease and schistosomiasis. Also, you can click the link to download this week's feature presentation on vaccine formulation development with adjuvants. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week.